Good morning, hello.
What's going on? It's been a long time.
Been a long time. Took a small break after Japan. I'm actually after trying to record a few videos in between, but I just keep failing because I can't. It's actually true what everyone says, once you put down the camera it's actually hard to pick it back up again. So you can probably hear a few cars in the background.
Hay fever.
Yeah, it is Donegal 24.
Connor's hay fever.
Connor's hay fever, and we are here. Now, not unlike last year, we didn't video. I can put me out the window there. I didn't video actually driving up because we done that last year and we left really late. It was dark driving up, so there was literally nothing to record.
Rain,
so
dark, just miserable.
everything. But my car is back. I got it painted. We got a lot of it painted. So
Gonna go out and sing in the corner. Absolutely wrecking now.
So basically, right, we are staying out in Donegal. No, we are out in the middle of nowhere, and we need to find food. So we're going to be probably awkward starting off this video because I feel like we haven't done it in ages.
Yeah.
We felt so cool in Japan, and now we're in Ireland, freezing, looking for food. No 7-Eleven, no nothing.
No.
So yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick walk around and show you what the boys brought with them. Right, so I brought my car, Daniel brought his, Evan decided to come back from Australia. There's Chris, Dawson, Keane, Daniel.
I'm going back to bed.
I'm right. Trevi got his car. Connor brought his car, as usual, good car. Connor actually missed Donegal last year, this car, due to technical failures, but he's out to redeem himself this year. And then Chris obviously brought the good loyal car, so it's a cool group of cars here, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens over the weekend. Right, so we just arrived at Donegal. We're just after driving out here for a look. The views up here are fucking crazy, so Connor, I bet you want to do a skid. Good, good. Fucking Donegal, boys! Right, so we managed to find a deli off the side of the... I'm not even going to attempt to say what road this is, so I don't know where we are. Brown is my new passenger. Welcome back.
Never just ate a pack of scripts and go, boy, what a bag of cribs.
Welcome back to YouTube, Brown. Welcome back from Australia as well.
Can't wait to go back. I only joke. Great to see the boys.
Yeah, sound, yeah.
Great to be back.
Right, come on, good luck. So anyway, found this fucking shop. The food is lovely. So we're gonna get fed up. We're gonna get fed up. We're gonna get stuck. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna eat food anyway.
We're going to buy a dictionary first, that's what we're going to do.
We're going to get a dictionary. We're going to head into Letterkenny then and go for King of the Court. Boys are all having a munch on the side of the road. Dawson's kind of getting his car washed because it's going to start raining in 10 minutes. And that makes sense, but we'll just wait for him. Right lads, we're after making it into Letterkenny. We're after coming into Euro car parts because Dawson's wipers don't work. So he's going to get some Rain-X, I think it's called, and put it on his windscreen, see if that helps. Oh, there's some cars. And it's mad, it's actually fairly calm enough considering that in a couple of hours you won't be able to drive up that road at all. Or even walk up it. I don't know. Poor Higgsy's dying of a hangover. Right, we're just after getting down as far as King of the Cone, literally, it's just down that road. Self and Chris are getting psyched up. The boys had to run back to the off license, of course, so for anyone who doesn't know what an off license is, basically it's a place where you buy beer, so, and of course our friends aren't driving, so all they can do is drink, so they're after running back to get beer. So once they come back, we'll go get signed up, get into the event and just go straight out. Right, so we're nearly ready to go out there now. This last group is just finishing and then we're heading out to see what it's all about. just in, and as you can see, the cars are absolutely destroyed. Daniel's still clean, I don't know how. His car is dirty though. Chris, your car managed to stay cleaner than anyone else's. Oh boy. Happy?
Happy, oh boy.
Shredder. My car doesn't look too bad. It's mint. Right, I think we're going to go find somewhere to wash the cars, and then it's chill time.
Then make a couple of one Johns.
You go, Johns.
Bradley's just after driving out of a field. What a car, Brad.
Serious.
What's it like, Brad? Go on, give us a go. Come on, Brad. And that is the rashest man in our friend group.
Just back from King of the Cone there now. Fucking van is dirty. Chris is in there washing the car. Sham is King of the Cone. Washing the A6. Chris is in there washing the A6 as well. Fine. One of the cars absolutely scintillating. Trevi's old vine. What a vine. Go on, tell him you're the one.
Huh?
Tell him you're the one. Go on.
Right, so it's day 2 here. I'm still trying to get used to getting back on the camera. I just went from us washing the car at the petrol station, but actually after that we just sat in traffic for fucking 2 hours easily.
Fucking crazy.
So by the time we got out of traffic, we just got a chipper, went straight home, straight to bed. So,
And a bad chipper at that.
bad chipper.
Really bad chipper.
So left the camera charged there all morning, so we're here now, queued up, ready to go, hoping to make the top 16. So if we can, let's do it. Good. And you're away. Hi guys, today for a new episode.
Lucky number 14 in the top 16.
Give it a good go.
But yeah, we'll keep you up to date. We're going to go out and give it a roll, so wish us luck.
That's actually my cousin Seamus.
Go on, Sam! Well, Seamus, how do you feel? How do you feel, Seamus?
I came a strong second, and I thank my mother and father for having me.